Hey guys, welcome to this video where we will be looking at one of the fastest growing technology, and that is data science. I always had this question in my mind: what is data science? How it's used? What does a data scientist do? What we should know to be a data scientist, data engineer or a data analyst? So I did a little research and also found some relevant information about it. Then I thought, why to keep it with myself, and decided to share with people, those who have similar interests and questions in mind, or might be thinking to opt data science as a career or profession. So, if you like the video, then press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell icon to get the notification, because there are more videos coming on such interesting topics. Alright, without further ado, let's get directly into our first slide, which is our agenda. So today's agenda is: what is data science, the data science life cycle, the term data scientist, what does a data scientist do, why become a data scientist, where do you fit in data science career outlook and salary opportunities. So what is data science? Data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, process algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from many structural and unstructured data. Data science is all about extracting and maintaining data. Data science is related to data mining, deep learning, and big data. It continues to evolve as one of the most promising and in demand career path for skilled professionals. Today, successful data professionals understand that they must advance past traditional skills of analyzing large amount of data, data mining and programming skills in order to uncover useful intelligence for their organizations. Data scientists must master the full spectrum of the data science life cycle and possess a level of flexibility and understanding to maximize returns at each phase of the process. Here we have the picture of the data science life cycle and the steps that are followed by a life cycle. The first step is capture. In capture, we have data acquisition, data entry, signal reception, data extraction. And the next step is maintain. All these all these steps are self-explanatory. You can directly understand data warehousing, data cleansing, data staging, data processing, and data architecture. Then the third step is data mining, clustering, classification, data modeling, data summarization. And the fourth step in this data science life cycle is analyze, which has exploratory, confirmatory, predictive analysis, regression, text mining, qualitative analysis. And the fifth and the last step of the life cycle is communicate, data reporting, data visualization, business intelligence, and decision making. So these are the 5 steps that is mentioned regarding the data science life cycle. Now we will look at the term data scientist. The term data scientist was coined as recently as 2008 when companies realized the need for data professionals who are skilled in organizing and analyzing massive amount of data. In a 2009 McKinsey and Company article, Hal Varian, Google's chief economist and Berkeley professor of information sciences, business and economics, predicted the importance of adapting the technology's influence and reconfiguration of different industries. And he said, the ability to take data, to be able to understand data, to process it, to extract value from it, to visualize it, to communicate it, that's going to be a hugely important skill in the next decades. And that is what exactly what is happening now. Effective data scientists are able to identify relevant questions, collect data from a multitude of different data sources, organize the information, translate results into solutions, and communicate their findings in a way that positively affect business decisions. These skills are required in almost all industries, causing skilled data scientists to be increasingly valuable to companies. So, what do you think a data scientist does? In the past decade, data scientists have become necessary assets and are present in almost all organizations. These professionals are well rounded, data driven individuals with high level technical skills. They are capable of building complex quantitative algorithms to organize and synthesize large amount of information that is used to answer questions and drive strategy in their organization. This is coupled with the experience in communication and leadership needed to deliver tangible results to various stakeholders across an organization or business. Data scientists need to be curious and result oriented with exceptional industry specific knowledge and communication skills that allow them to explain highly technical results to their non technical counterparts. They possess a strong quantitative background in statistics and linear algebra as well as programming knowledge with focuses in data warehouse mining and modeling to build and analyze algorithms. They must also be able to utilize key technical tools and skills, including these are some languages that the professional should know, that is Python, Apache, Apache Spark, NoSQL database, cloud computing, Apache Tableau, IPython notebooks, and GitHubs. So these are some of the technologies that a data scientist or a data analyst or a data engineer should be aware of. So the question is, why become a data scientist? Glassdoor ranked data scientist as the number one best job in America in 2018 for the third year in a row. As increasing amount of data becomes more accessible, large tech companies are no longer the only ones in need of data scientists. The growing demand for data science professional across industries, big and small, is being challenged by a shortage of qualified candidates available to fill the open positions. The need for data scientists shows no sign of slowing down in the coming years. LinkedIn listed data scientists as one of the most promising jobs in 2017 and 2018, along with multiple data science related skills as the most in demand by companies. So just have a look at the statistics listed below represents a significant and growing demand for data scientists. There was a 28% of increase in demand by 2020 and almost 4,500 number of job openings, and the average base salary is about 1,20,000 annually, and also it was considered as the best job in America in the 3 consecutive years, and these are the sources from Glassdoor and Forbes. So where do you fit in data science? Data is everywhere and expansive. A variety of terms related to mining, cleaning, analyzing, and interpreting data are often used interchangeably, but they can actually involve different skill sets and complexity of data. Data scientists examine which question need answering and where to find the related data. They have business acumen and analytical skills as well as the ability to mine, clean and present data. Businesses use data scientists to source, manage and analyze a large amount of unstructured data. Results are then synthesized and communicated to key stakeholders to drive strategic decisions in the organization. The skill needed for this technology are programming skills, SAS, some of the languages that is R, Python, statistical and mathematical skills, storytelling and data visualization, Hadoop. Hadoop is nothing but it is all about big data. It has huge number of data capacity. Then we have SQL, which is a database. Then we have machine learning. So these are some of the technologies from which the data scientist or engineer or analyst should be well equipped with. So let's look at what a data analyst should know. Data analysts bridge the gap between data scientist and business analyst. They are provided with the questions that need answering from an organization and then organize and analyze data to find results that align with high level business strategy. Data analysts are responsible for translating technical analysis to qualitative action items and effectively communicating their findings to diverse stakeholders. And skill needed for this is programming skills, again SAS, R, Python. These are some of the programming language. Python is the best programming language nowadays used by big companies. Statistical and mathematical skills, data wrangling, data visualization. So let's have a look at the skills what a data engineer should have. Data engineers manage exponential amounts of rapidly changing data. They focus on the development, deployment, management and optimization of data. Pipelines and infrastructure to transform and transfer data to data scientists for querying. And again, the skills needed are programming languages such as Java, Scala, the database that is NoSQL, MongoDB, Cassandra DB, also some of the frameworks that includes Apache, Hadoop. Data science, career outlook and salary opportunities. Data science professionals are rewarded for their highly technical sets with competitive salaries and great job opportunities at big and small companies in most industries. With over 4,500 open positions listed on Glassdoor, data science professionals with the appropriate experience and education have the opportunity to make their mark in some of the most forward-thinking companies in the world. And we can see below are the average base salaries for the following position. So let's have a look what kind of pay a data analyst gets annually, that is $65,000, which is almost approximately 50 lakh rupees as per the current dollar market. And when it comes to data scientist, it is almost the double of data analyst, that is 1,20,000, which comes to 91 lakhs 87,000 Indian rupees. And senior data scientist gets almost $141,000, which is more than a crore rupees. And the data engineer also gets somewhat around $1,37,000, which is also more than a crore rupees annually. I must say this is a very decent salary when you are in IT field, but the thing is you should be well equipped with all these technical skill sets to be there and get this decent amount of salary annually. Gaining specialized skills within the data science field can distinguish data scientists even further. For example, machine learning experts utilize high level programming skills to create algorithms that continuously gather data and automatically adjust their function to be more effective. So that brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. As said earlier, if you like the video, click the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get more such videos. Signing off as of now. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.